Come fly with me, let's fly, let's fly. Let's fly away.
Dive in. Polo Blue, the men's fragrance. Ralph Lauren.
Wow. Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
ค่ะก็จะเป็นการรีวิวนะคะน้ำหอมจากเพจ
ใช่
เพจ Max and Son Perfume นะคะอ่ะเรามาดูกัน
tester bottle ใช่ไหม tester bottle ใช่ไหม
ค่ะ เดี๋ยวเรามาดูกันว่าข้างในจะเป็นน้ำหอมอะไร Oh my god ของแท้นะคะของแท้100%
Oh wait, there's letter. Open first letter. That's love letter.
นี่ของแท้
ใช่
ของแท้100%อ่ะเรามาดูกัน เป็นโปโลนะคะ
tester bottle ใช่ไหมครับ
ใช่ค่ะ
Then
โปโลเดี๋ยว
be careful.
เดี๋ยวเรามาดูข้างในกัน
Careful. Yeah, that's expensive. Too much expensive. And
จะซื้อใช้เองหรือว่าจะซื้อฝากใครก็ได้นะคะ
Yes. Oh,
หัว
look at
สวย
that.
งามตามสไต
Look
ล์
at that.
โปโล
Then look at this one. That. Okay, look at the code over there. Okay, the same with the carton and this one. Okay, all right. And yes, and you can try. You cannot smell. You can. That's expensive. Yeah, because it's new. Because it's new, you cannot pump that. Oh my God! This smells really nice.
หอมมาก
Oh my God! I will buy this one also.
หอมมากค่ะของแท้นะคะ ฝากเพจไว้ด้วยนะคะ Max and Son Perfume บ๊ายบาย
ขอบคุณนะครับ Yeah. Okay. Look
หอ
at this
ม
one.
เนาะ
But it's quite expensive. But this one is the
ของ
test.
นางก็หอม
Take note that this one is the tester bottle. Okay, tester bottle. The new bottle is different from this tester, but it's the same. It's the same. Okay. This is also like use of pep. You can see the code in here. Okay. All right. Kapunakap. And this is the letter from Max and Sons Parfum.
Come fly with me, let's fly, let's fly. Let's fly away.
Dive in. Polo Blue, the men's fragrance. Ralph Lauren.
Wow. Thank you for watching Max & Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max & Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.